got it.
Can I talk
All right.
to you though?
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Stefan and Sabrina.
Hi, it's Campbell Farm.
So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning out the garden because I'm going to do a tour tonight. And I have some ox-eye daisies, which looks like a Shasta daisy. So I told you not to plant anything because we had some cold spell. But there's exceptions, and that would be hardy perennials and hardy annuals. Follow me over and let me show you where I'm putting this.
Hi. We're moving the wheelbarrow. And Granny, that's what's going on here.
Okay, so as you can see here, this was the first phase of the park. The lamb's ears are really taking well to the soil. So this is the second part that I'm going to landscape. As you can see, we have some lilies coming up, some Johnny Walker catmint, which is great. This we don't want. It's a weed. But right here under this apple tree, during the day, this is pure sun. Nothing lives here. It likes the harsh desert climate, no matter how much mulch and water I give it.
And we want to dig it up.
Yeah. So what I've done is I started digging here, and this is where I'm going to put it. After these are bloomed, done. No, this apple tree don't climb on it. This is a yellow show, and in the back we have some crooked neck flowers that are gonna, well, gooseneck I guess you call them. We all call them something else. Invasive, beautiful white flowers. So we're gonna have white here, and later on I'm gonna do maybe black-eyed Susans. So here, I'll just take it. No, I just want one. Okay, ready? Okay, get another one. So this is what they look like right now as babies. These are gorgeous. They look just like a Shasta daisy. I already have the holes. Good job. Okay, you want to get another one? Is there a bigger one? Aren't these beautiful wildflowers? So, the interesting thing about these, oh look at that, these are 3 of them. These are very invasive, so you have to know that when you're planting them. And, but what I like about them besides their beauty, it produces roughly 26,000 seeds per head. So that's incredible. So, and the flower heads are 2 inches roughly. And it will get rid of any weeds that might come up. So it's a wonderful thing, and I get collect the seeds. I don't let it seed here. I only let it seed in the garden. Let me get a few more. I just want smaller, bigger ones. And I also put these in my flower pot. Because they really make a show, and if you don't want to water, these don't like a lot of water. It's just like the black-eyed Susans. Please don't water me too much or I'll die. That's the way to kill them, water. So in about a month.
And bring them and die.
No, you don't have to bring these in.
No, bring them and die when it rains.
Yeah, I do want it to rain only to get them into the ground.
Yeah.
And that's about it.
I don't know if I take a war. Hi.
The ground is so hard. I think the sun just bakes this over and over again. and it's hard to get stuff going. So it doesn't look much now. In 1 month and through part of the summer, it's going to be incredible. So we have some sages, which with the blue and purple flowers. The same here, white flowers behind. And then over here, I think I'm going to put my black-eyed Susan. Because once these are done blooming, there's no show. This is about to have a show. By the time it's done, gorgeous. And that time, Shasta daisies or the ox-eyed Susan, which is, by the way, not a Missouri native. It's actually from Asia and Europe, Eurasia, can handle the tough conditions. So when your grandson climbs trying to get an apple, it's not going to kill it. Okay, this is it. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell.